Today I am going to give advice for face base. Let's go. Ready to learn some insider tips and tricks about face base. Start with a clean face. Make sure your face is fresh and moisturized before putting any product on it. Apply primer with your fingers to ensure your makeup lasts all day. Step 2. Using a duo fiber brush. Apply foundation all over the skin and blend it onto the neck. Please watch Darla how to apply foundation tips. And now, Step 3. Apply concealer below your eyes in the shape of a triangle. This technique ensures natural-looking coverage, brightens up your face and draws attention to your eyes. Step 4. Apply highlighter. Along the top of your cheekbones, on the cupid's bow, chin and in between the brows. Then, swipe a contour powder along the sides of your nose and along the forehead and hollows of your cheekbones. Finally, Step 5. Apply blush. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, extending up toward the temples. It is your turn now. Are you ready? Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice.